Here's how to make this effect in Photoshop. Duplicate your layer. Go to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur, set the angle to 0 and the distance to something about 300. Add a layer mask and with the brush tool, paint away the blur that's on one side. Duplicate your layer. Double-click on your motion blur effect and add about 500. Press OK. Select all your layers, right-click, and convert to Smart Object. Now go to Filter, Filter Gallery, and we're firstly gonna add a graphic pen effect. Make sure your stroke direction is horizontal and play around with the settings. Click on Add some grain. Press OK, and here is the result.